Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and environment. Make sure your iPhone 15 Pro Max is updated and stable on a tripod. Once done, open the camera app and pick photo or portrait mode because night mode only engages in low light. You should see the night mode icon. If it appears, tap it to reveal the exposure slider. Now take the first test frame. This confirms the sensor and software have switched to the night algorithm and sets the initial exposure time. You now control how much light the camera captures. Tap the night mode icon to bring up the exposure slider and choose a duration. Longer times capture more detail but need steadiness. Once you set it, frame your subject with clear foreground interest and avoid bright light sources that can blow out highlights. Make sure to lock focus and exposure by pressing and holding on the screen. This stabilizes the shot. Finally, use the 3-second timer or a remote to eliminate shake when the phone records the long exposure. You finish by pressing the shutter and keeping the phone perfectly still until the progress indicator completes. Night mode stacks multiple frames to reduce noise. Once the preview appears, inspect shadow detail and highlights, then retake with adjusted exposure if needed. If images blur, shorten the exposure or improve stabilization. If the night icon never appears, make sure low light is present and restart the camera app or reboot the phone. Ultimately, update iOS if problems persist so the night algorithm runs correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.